Right, okay. Let me share the screen. Right. So this is how you can download, guys. This is how you can download. Just now I downloaded one service pack. Just now I downloaded. Let me delete this. Okay. Do one thing. Okay. If you want to download again, let me stop. Let me pause. Just a minute, guys. Right. Okay. So if you want to download any service pack, it's very easy. As I said, go to sqlserverbuilds.blogspot.com. It's a trusted website. Regularly will follow this one, no problem. And anyhow, you don't download it from this website. If you want to download any CU, click on the CU. Automatically, it will route you to the Microsoft website. Okay, so you will go to the Microsoft website, and if you go down, 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 go down. You can see here. Click on this link again. One more Microsoft website will open, page will open. Just click on this download button. Automatically it will start downloading, guys. Okay, it will start downloading. This is how we'll download any cumulative update or service pack. Also same, if you want to download service pack, you have to go back and you have to choose service pack. Just type SQL Server Builds in the Google, you will get it. Right. Okay, if you want Microsoft website, you can see the particular file name. See here, download SQL Server 2016 SP3. Click on this package. So again, it will go to the page, Microsoft page. You can choose the language and you can select download. Automatically the service pack will be downloaded. This is how we'll download the service packs and cumulative updates, guys. Okay, this is the way of downloading service packs and cumulative updates. Right. So any questions here till now?
No.
So it's clear, right? Related to the service packs, cumulative updates, when it will be released. See here, SQL Server 2022 not yet released, not released, but announced. So SQL Server, what is this 16? Okay, okay. SQL Server 15, right? Might be there. They might slowly changing it to build numbers. SQL Server 15, 15 means 2019 only. Then SQL Server 16, 16 means 2022. Right. They are slowly changing the numbers. In the future, you might not see 2022, 2019 numbers and all. You might see SQL Server 16, SQL Server 17, like that. You can see they are changing the naming conventions, guys. Okay, clear, guys. Everyone about this service packs and all. If you are clear, then we'll discuss. Okay, guys, 2.5 hours in a single slot. Is it fine for you, or you need any break in between 2.5 hours?
Yeah, we need at least 10 minutes break for general things.
That's okay. Okay. Thank you for the suggestion. So next time onwards, from evening, okay, 7 to 8:20 will take, and 10 minutes break, and again we'll connect at 8:30. Okay, 10 minutes break I'll give. 8:30 to 9:30, 1 more hour. Okay, fine, right? Yeah.
Just for having some tea or something.
Yeah, that's what. So now you want to take break? I'll complete in 15 minutes. If you want to take break, you can take break for 10 minutes. But again,
no problem. No problem.
Okay.
Continue.
For today, for this session, we will continue. Next session onwards, we'll have a break of 10 minutes in between. Okay. Right. Fine. Good. Okay. Next. Please mute it. Right. So this is how we can download the particular what we can say service packs or cumulative updates. Let's see the precautions. What precautions we have to take if I want to patch the SQL Server. What are the precautions that we'll follow regularly? So what is the process involved in the in patching the SQL Server? So all these things we'll discuss, guys. So actually the process is, if you want to patch any SQL server, okay, the process is first you have to take the approvals from the customer. Okay. Hey, imagine you are patching Myntra database. You cannot patch Myntra database whenever you want, right? I told you while patching the server will be down for 1 hour or half an hour. It depends upon the server size and all. Okay, it might down for 1 hour or 30 minutes. Imagine if Myntra is down for 30 minutes during this sales period, how it will be, how much loss you will get. Okay. Or Flipkart is down for 30 minutes, or Amazon is down for 30, or WhatsApp is down for 30 minutes. Lot of people will be affected across the globe, right? Almost all 200 crore people are using WhatsApp across the globe. Everyone will be affected, right? If WhatsApp server is down. So there is a specific time period, there is a window for applying the updates. You have to check with the customer, hey, it's very important to apply the updates. Otherwise, we have to face the security concerns. So tell me the best time. When can we apply the patches? Again, application means, don't think only application means Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra or your WhatsApp. Small internal applications also will be there in the organization. So as a DBS, will send an email to the application team. We are planning to patch the server with a CU22. It takes 1 hour to complete. During patching, we are going to restart. Our server will be restarted automatically. So we need 1 hour downtime or 2 hours downtime to complete this activity. Please let me know what is the best time to apply the patchings. Whatever I said till now, all the lines you have to include in the mail, guys. It's very important. You have to tell the customer that server will be restarted. Why? Because they don't know. Some of the windows, see how we are having a service pack cumulative updates from SQL server side. Windows side also they will have cumulative updates service packs concept. Okay, so some updates don't need any restart. But if you don't tell that you are going to restart the server, he might think, okay, that we can do it online, so no problem, we can give approvals and all. He might give approvals later. If you restarted it, it will be escalated. So always it's best practice to tell that server will be restarted during the patching process. So it's a downtime activity. Please let me know when I can apply the patchings. Some customers will argue with us, is it very important to apply? What will happen if I skip that update? Simply tell them, okay, if you don't apply the updates, security issues will come. So if any security issues are there, again, it is very difficult to bring the system as usual back to its normal state. Okay, so if any security concerns are there, you have to be answerable. Okay, like that, if you reply, then immediately will give approval, right? Because now the decision is in his hands. If you don't give approval, if any big security issue comes, he has to answerable to the management. Okay, definitely he'll give approval. He don't argue anything. If he's in the system, if he is new to the system, then again he will ask this kind of questions. Right. So once you took the approval, you have to raise a change request. What you have to do? You have to raise a change request. Okay. This change request, you have to raise it to apply the patches. So change request, once you raise the change request, one team will be there, separate team will be there. That is called CAB team, Change Advisory Board. Every company will have this CAB team, CAB meeting and all. This CAB team, this team has to approve all your changes. This CAB team will meet every week, either Tuesday or Wednesday. They will conduct a CAB meeting. In the CAB meeting, they will discuss, hey, we are planning to patch this guy, so and so. Okay, DBA Kumar is planning to patch this server. It needs a restart. So what do you think, guys? Do we need to give approvals? So in that CAB meeting, very big people will be there, like senior managers, CTO of the company, chief technical officer. Okay, so all these people will be there and they will monitor all your changes, and they will ask, is this important, do we need to patch the SQL server, what happened if you don't patch the SQL server, and all like these silly questions will get it. So imagine Kumar is doing the patching. Kumar has to raise a change request. Kumar has to represent his change request in the cab meeting. Kumar has to attend the meeting. Kumar has to answer all of the cab people questions. Once they are satisfied, then they will give you approval for your change request. Sometimes those who are patching the SQL server, he has to attend the cab meeting. Sometimes on behalf of the DBA team, that lead will attend the cab meeting and he will represent all the changes in the cab meeting. Okay, to make sure all the changes are going to be get approved by the team. So sometimes you have to apply, you have to attend the cab meeting and you have to talk something about the change. What is this change? What it will do? Is it important? What in case if it is not successful? What is your rollback plan? Everything they will ask some questions and you have to answer all those questions. Once everything is good, then they will approve your change. Imagine you just scheduled your change on Saturday night 10 p.m. Saturday night 10 p.m. means, and again you have to be very careful guys, 99% or 90% projects from US only. US, UK and also you should be very well aware about the timings. You should be aware about EST, MST, BST, okay, CST, UST, okay, lot of time, UTC, sorry, UTC, lot of time zones are there guys. They will give approval, okay, please patch 10 p.m. on Saturday. He will simply tell like that only, please patch SQL server 10 p.m. on Saturday. 1 minute guys, 1 minute please, you can call. Hello. Yeah. Right. Okay. So you should be aware of it, guys. Okay. Some people they will simply send everything. They will send an email clearly. Some people they will send the mail very simple. So please patch the SQL server Saturday 10 p.m. 10 p.m. what? 10 p.m. IST, 10 p.m. EST, 10 p.m. BST, 10 p.m. CST. We don't know the time zone, right? So you have to ask him which time zone it is. Or sometimes people will simply mention patch the server. This is approved to patch the server at 10 p.m. EST. So 10 p.m. EST means US time. You have to convert into IST, Indian Standard Time, and then you have to raise the change request once he approved. So you should be very comfortable with the time zones. If you don't know the timings and all, it's very simple guys. Everything you will get answer from the Google. Okay, so simply go to Google and type. Okay, simply type. Where is that Google? Okay, Saturday. Saturday 10 p.m. EST to IST. Just type like this. Okay. You will get what is the IST time 7 a.m. which is 10 p.m. Okay. So that means 7 a.m. IST means Saturday morning I have to patch. Right. Saturday 10 p.m. Right. For them it is Saturday 10 p.m. Saturday 10 p.m. means for us it will be Sunday morning. Saturday night means Sunday morning. Okay. So you should be aware of it, and this is a usually we'll use this World Time Buddy website. Okay, so it will tell you IST, EDT or EST both are same. Okay, EDT or EST both are same. Saturday, right? Saturday means next Saturday. Imagine, no, not next Saturday. Today is Sunday, right? Okay, done. So today night you want to patch, guys. IST today night. Night means how much time? 10:30. Or if you keep here 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. you want to patch. Okay, between 9:30 to 10 p.m. you can say 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. what is the EST time? What is the EST time?
12 p.m.
12 p.m. of EST
12
time.
p.m.
Okay, so you have to make sure always you have to compare the time, guys. It's very important. Always you will work on the global projects. 90% you people will work on the global projects. So if customer gave clearly like please patch at 10 p.m. EST, no problem, you can convert into IST and you can raise the change request. If you don't mention anything, ask him again which time zone, is it EST or IST? Okay, ask him, please take confirmation from him. Okay, instead of EST you patched on IST, or instead of IST you patched in the EST, lot of big issues will be created, guys. Very big headache. Okay, so again make sure that proper time zone you are following, and you should be aware of the global timings and all global time scales like EST, BST, CST. Okay, like that you have to be aware of these time zones and all, guys. It's very important. Right, fine. You now you took the approval. He approved for Saturday night 10 p.m. and then you are everything ready. Your changes also approved. Then you are ready to patch the SQL server. Okay. So to while patching the SQL server, you have to take some precautions, guys. These are the precautions. Process is first you have to send the email to the owner. Okay, so and so date I am planning to patch, please approve this change request. If he is agree, he will approve it, otherwise he will mention he will nominate another time frame. Okay, and based on the application owner, create a change request. uh, make sure the change is approved by the cab team. Once everything is ready, then you are ready to patch the SQL server, guys. In the interview they will ask how to patch the SQL server. If you don't tell the process, they don't listen your answer. They will by face you can see they are listening your answer, but a real-time guy will always explain anything, not only patching. Always tries to remember one thing: why I am spending. No trainer is spending time on process, guys. Earlier, if you see while installing SQL Server, also I told you the process. VM team, the ticket will goes to VM team, then Windows team, then storage team, then network team, then finally DB team. The process is very important. That's how you are going to be differentiated from a fake and real-time DBA. They know how to patch the SQL server, but whether you know the process or not, if you explain these words, first of all, I'll take approval from the customer, then I'll raise a change request, then I'll represent the change request. Once change is approved, then I'll start patching. That's it. Those 4 lines are enough. You will get good impression. Always try to explain the answers with the process. Then only they will believe you that you are a real-time guy. You don't explain, you will simply, okay, I'll download the software service pack, I'll copy the software to the server, I'll patch, I'll open the software service pack, and next patch the SQL server. Patching is very simple, 2 minutes work. Next patch it, guys. No need to select any controls also. Just next patch. But if you say that answer, they don't like, you might not get shortlisted. So you should always try to explain with the process, then they will be very impressed and you will get good opportunities, guys. Remember this thing. Right, the evening we'll discuss all these 10 points. Okay, what are the precautions, and then we'll patch the SQL server. Once SQL server is patched, okay, I'll show you how to patch the SQL server and all. Once patching is completed, we'll jump into the security topic. Okay, security, what is a login, what is a user, how to give permissions, okay, how to give permissions on a database, on a table, all these things we'll discuss in the evening, guys. Okay, these are the 10 precautions we'll follow. It's very important precautions. Then I'll show you how to patch the SQL server and all. Any questions you can ask me.
Sir, raise a change request means that means raising a ticket in the ticketing tool.
Correct. Change request means it's a type of ticket. We have different types of tickets. Incident is one type of ticket. Task is one type of ticket. Change is one type of ticket. Okay. RITM, request item, is one type of ticket. Like these are the different types of tickets.
That means these tickets will be approved by CAB.
Correct.
Okay.
Any questions, guys?
So we'll get this notepad material.
You already got this. Checking your email. Who is this?
This is Devendra. I did not cut any.
No. Checking your spam. Okay. You got the software links, right?
Only that one mail
No,
only
no,
I
no.
got.
No. One mail only you will get. In the one mail you will have two files. One is SQL DBA class. One is SQL Server software links.
Yeah, 2 files we have.
2
In
files.
that only it is there.
That file only. The SQL DBA class file is this one.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any questions, guys?
And one more question, sir. So for this ticketing, we have some separate softwares. So
Yes.
that we need to raise ticket.
Correct. They will have, mostly people will use ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Okay, so people will use ServiceNow and all. And some people will use Jira. Jira is also one ticketing tool. Some people will use Lotus Notes. Some people will use BMC Remedy. So we have different ticketing tools out there. Yes. Any other questions?
Sir, what is the difference between ticketing tool and monitoring tool, sir?
No, you only tell me, sir. What is the meaning of monitoring tool?
Monitoring means it will just monitor, sir,
Correct.
activities.
If you want to raise a change request, you cannot do it from monitoring tool, right?
Yes.
Monitoring will only monitor what is the SQL server, whether it is up and running or not, what is the consumption of CPU, memory, okay, what are the blockings are there. Like this is going to monitor the SQL server. Ticketing tool is completely different. You have some work, you have a request, you have a requirement, then you will, hey, I have this requirement. Please install SQL server, one requirement. Please patch the SQL server, one requirement. Please create a database, one requirement. My server is down, one requirement. Okay, so both are completely different. One is monitoring, means it will do only monitoring. Ticketing tool means whatever your requirement is there, you can complete your requirement with the help of tickets. Any questions, guys?
Sir, another question, you have said that yesterday, named instance we cannot change, and the default instance we can change because of only that computer name itself.
Yes, because of only actually we cannot change the instance name. If Windows server name is changed, then we have to update the instance name, okay, to the Windows server name. There is no way of changing server name actually. Okay.
Directly we cannot change.
Directly, there is no way of, at least directly or indirectly, you cannot change it. Okay. But if you change the Windows server name, you have to update, hey, this is the Windows server name, not the old one. You're updating it. You're not changing the name. There also you're not changing the name. You're updating the new name. That's it. Okay. Fine. If there are no questions, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll connect. Sorry. Today evening we'll connect at the 7 p.m. guys. Okay. Chalo guys. Bye. Enjoy the weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Priyanka, I am flying to India for night, so I will be unable to take the class. We'll go through recordings. No problem, Priyanka. I'll give you the recordings, okay? You can go through the recordings.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We'll get the recording, sir. We'll get this.
You don't get the recordings, it will be uploaded to the batch 44 playlist initially. Okay, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you subscribe once I uploaded, you will get the notification. Okay.
So only from the channel only we will get, not separate.
Not all the videos. Initially, you will get the videos only from the channel. You don't
Okay,
get
sir.
those.
After that, you will share separate.
After that, I will send separately to your email IDs.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.